Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a big one, something I know a lot of you have been asking about. We are going to get the full, no compromises Google Play Store with all your favorite Android apps running right on your Windows 11 machine.
I mean, just think about it for a second. Have you ever wished for that? Not some little curated, walled-off app store, but the real Google Play Store, the whole massive universe of apps and games, right there on your desktop. It's been the dream for so long, and let's be real, Microsoft's official attempt was, well, it was a pretty big letdown.
And this really lays out the whole story, doesn't it? The official way gave us the Amazon App Store, which is okay, but it's just a tiny fraction of what's out there. And the real kicker? Microsoft is completely ending support for it in 2025. It's over. But then you look at what the community built. This gives you the full Play Store, it gets ongoing updates, and it has something Microsoft took away, an actual future for Android on Windows.
So why are we talking about this now? Well, because Microsoft has officially put a timer on its own system, and that creates a very real problem for anyone who's actually started using Android apps on their PC. Let's break down exactly how we got here.
You know, when Microsoft first launched the Windows Subsystem for Android, or WSA, it felt genuinely exciting. But that excitement kind of fizzled out when we all realized we were stuck with just the Amazon App Store. But here's the most important part. This date right here, March 5th, 2025. That's the kill switch. No more support, no more updates. Officially, Microsoft is just walking away. But that's definitely not where our story ends.
Because as it so often happens, right, an official door closes, and the community just gets to work and builds a much, much better one. And that's exactly where our solution comes from. This incredible project that not only keeps the dream alive, but actually makes it way better than the original ever was.
So let me introduce you to WSA Builds. It's a fantastic community project over on GitHub. What they've done is they've taken the foundation that Microsoft built and they've injected it with everything that was missing. We're talking the real deal Google Play services, the complete Play Store, and, hey, for you power users out there, it even comes with root support pre-installed. That gives you total control over the Android system. It's all just packaged up and ready to go.
All right, enough talk. Are you ready to get this up and running on your own machine? The whole process is actually surprisingly easy, but we do have to do a little bit of prep work first. So let's get your PC ready.
Okay, so first things first, you're going to head over to the WSA Builds page on GitHub. Once you're there, find and download the latest package that says Stable. Now, before we install it, there are two quick settings we have to turn on in Windows. The first one is called Virtual Machine Platform. Just search your Start menu for Turn Windows Features On or Off, find it in the list, check the box, and then you'll have to reboot your PC. Once you're back, the last prep step is to turn on Developer Mode. Just go into your main Windows 11 settings, click on Privacy and Security, and you'll see the switch for Developer Mode. Flip that on, and you are ready for the main event.
And now for the magic. You've done all the prep work, you've got the files downloaded. This next step is actually the easiest part, but it's the one that makes it all happen.
Okay, so go find the file you've downloaded and unzip it. Inside that new folder, you're looking for a script file. It'll be named something like run.ps1. This little file is the key to everything. Just right-click on it, and this part is really important. Make sure you select Run with PowerShell, and you'll want to run it as an administrator. A window is going to pop up, and you'll see a bunch of text scroll by. That script is doing all the heavy lifting for you. It's getting rid of any old versions and installing this new, supercharged one. Just let it do its thing.
Once that script finishes up, the system is installed. We are so close. We just have to configure a couple of quick, one-time settings, and then we can finally open the Play Store. Let's finish this.
All right, go to your Start menu and find the new app called Windows Subsystem for Android. Open it up. Inside its settings, you just need to turn on the toggle for Developer Mode. Next, right there in the app, click the little icon next to Files. That's going to boot up the whole Android environment for the very first time. Now, check your Start menu again, and you should see it, the Google Play Store icon. Go ahead, click it, sign in with your Google account, and that's it. You did it. Welcome to the entire Android ecosystem right on your PC.
And just like that, you have totally changed what your Windows computer can do. Seriously, this isn't just some minor tweak. You've given your PC a genuine superpower.
No, really, just take a second to let that sink in. Welcome to the full Google Play Store running right here on your PC. Any app, any game that's on your phone, you can now have on your desktop. It is awesome.
So let's just do a quick recap of what you've actually accomplished here. You've unlocked access to literally millions of apps. You've thrown out the limited Amazon App Store and replaced it with the real thing. You've basically guaranteed yourself future updates, all thanks to the community. And maybe the best part? These apps just blend right into Windows 11. They show up in your Start menu, they run in their own windows, it's seamless.
You know, this whole thing is just such a powerful example of what a dedicated community can pull off. It really makes you wonder, as more and more big companies abandon their official software, what other essential tools are going to be saved and even improved and carried into the future by the passion of users? It's a really fascinating new frontier for software. Thanks so much for joining me.